So guys, welcome back to our channel. At ngayon, pupunta na kami ng farm. So, saglit lang kami sa room, freshen up, hindi na nagpalit ng damit. Kinuha ko lang yung scarf ko kasi sobrang lamig. So, ayun. Yun na. Tayo ay
magpa-farm tour.
aalis na ulit. Yeah.
Same outfit.
Just around the corner, I have a supermarket, I have a pizzeria.
Yeah, we are just in the wrong place yesterday. So, this is our Google Map. Apple Map pala.
Ciao.
Hello, Google Map.
Ciao. Raffaele.
So guys, nandito na tayo sa La Massaria Farm.
My car works. To produce the olive oil in October, November. And then at the bottom of the farm we grow chestnuts too. Chestnuts, castagne, which are not grown for picking and selling the fruits, but only to use the trunks of them as a wood supply to build all these kind of scaffoldings. And even later I will explain you why, what are they built for. Now we tour the garden first. I show you the crops, and afterwards we will come back here to taste the lemonade, and then we will move into our farmhouse for a traditional meal with our mom homemade cooking. On the base of what we produce on our farm. So I just wanna ask if are you vegetarians?
9.
Vegetarian. Any allergy? I mean, dairy free? No? Okay, well, as a farm, we try to promote a farm to table excursion to let you taste what we really produce in our farm or something else from our neighborhood in the village. It is a very farming community. Follow me this way.
Okay.
Yeah, focus on the quality then. The weather here is pretty mild. We can grow crops almost all year round. As you can see, growing here in these spots, strawberries, or also kiwi fruits. You can see as even kiwi fruits. The last ones we left for demonstration. Even though we pick them within January, just with them fresh. And this is the female tree that is the only one that produces fruits. We grow next as well, close, the male tree that at the end only pollinates the female one. We had to grow them together. Only the female bears fruits. Are all grown underneath those green and black fences. Wow. What are the fences used for? As a protection for the hailstorm in the winter time. Because with this chilly weather we can still have some hail that can damage the crop. As you can see later, the lemons are on the trees all year round.
I noticed that.
Yeah, all year round. It's a tree that never rests.
Is it that way in California, or like the citrus?
More or less, yes.
I'm pretty
The,
sure no.
the local farms, in the local Italian farms, is plenty, is full of herbs, even to spice the food in the kitchen, as a fresh oregano. Oregano that here is at the base with the rosemary, is at the base of the Mediterranean diet, of the Mediterranean cuisine. You can smell some rosemary too.
Oregano.
Smell
This on the
rosemary.
pizza.
Yeah. The marinara sauce.
Can it?
Yeah, we can eat.
Waking up also our citronella plant, citronella, that and the leaves from them are we use in the summer to keep the bugs away.
Yes.
And then that's otherwise a very popular fruit tree that grows around the Mediterranean area that is called the loquat. Have you ever heard the loquat, or also as Japanese plum?
No.
Loquat, kumquat, right?
No, kumquat is a citrus fruit, or even called as Japanese mandarin, the kumquat. This one is loquat. Even to grow our own chickens, our own hens, to collect daily from them the eggs to use in our kitchen. With the main roosters, their names is Pavarotti and Bocelli.
As they're waking you up at 4 o'clock in the morning.
We name them as a famous Italian opera singers.
Who is up first, Pavarotti or Bocelli?
No, Pavarotti is more loud, a little more loud.
But there's no Domingo, right?
Right?
No Domingo.
No Domingo, no. Heidi, she's a very playful, yes. She's a very playful. Oh, she gets nervous when you touch the belly. Just fat. As they are well fed all day long. Yeah, the best way to keep them quiet is to feed them with a little corn.
Same.
Yeah.
I didn't realize how much I was like a goat. You're fine. I'm like, a lot of comparisons here. Feed me corn.
Okay, extra service. They also clean your hands. Extra service.
Yeah.
Yeah, feed them a little because at the moment they are on diet.
None of them all find their voice.
Like the four pigs, these are two local breeds. Where the fully big one is called the Toscano, the Toscan pig, the Toscan breed, and the red olive oil with a rate of acidity, we see of acid fats below the 0.8% by analysis, and in this way the olive oil is labeled extra virgin as the best quality. Otherwise, if the olives they are just collected from the nest too late in season, once they are too black, the acidity in the olive oil easily exceeds, is higher at 0.8%, and the olive oil is not anymore classified extra virgin but only virgin. That is a lower quality than extra virgin. The extra virgin oil, once you open the bottle of extra virgin oil, smells more fruity. That once you smell reminds you of fresh herbs as rosemary, tomato and artichoke here, and especially once you taste is more peppery. Otherwise the virgin is less fruited perfume and is much sweet. Region, the lemon, in this region the lemon is taken fit because the soil has got a volcanic nature.
Oh my god.
Alright, welcome in heaven. Yellow heaven.
This is unbelievable. Yeah, you can take a picture down there too.
The hole is open, more ventilated, so the fungus can easier go. It's like a disinfectant now, and our goal is to plant there a new one.
So you do that so it doesn't affect the other trees.
As it
No work, no food.
So how do you, sorry, you might have said this, how do you pick all of the lemons when they're
The
ripe?
lemons are picked all by hand, one by one, because there is a specific reason. In few words, according the lemon, in few words, is something very unique as a crop in the world. According also here the climate conditions pretty mild.
No, I'm definitely still fixing.
In few words, the lemon is the only crop in the world that at same time, at same moment, you see the green ones, the ripe ones, and also the flowers together. So it's a tree that never rests and always keep going. The three different stages of the fruit all together at same time. Aging in the cellar, so the fresh smoke avoids which they get too much mold because kills the smoke or kills the humidity in the cellar, but first of all gives them a different taste, a different feel. So the leaves as well, not to eat but to flavor are used to. More down higher on the hill, no lemons growing anymore because it can be too cold in the winter. Here for 2 days in here the temperature can arrive.
Alright guys, follow, come on, who's next?
That's
He's just
But you like the lemon,
smiling,
right?
knowing that this is causing anxiety to some
There's no
people.
one of this. It always comes together.
Did you know that to be a lemon farmer here you must be a kind of acrobat? Italian health and safety 100%.
That was
Nah.
the best joke today.
Sorry?
That was the best joke today.
Yes, best of today. In the past the canopy was all in wood. Now for 30 years for safety is even used on top the rebar. That even though it's thinner than the wood, it's stronger and
We're going to the lemon nursery. Lemon everywhere.
Alright, that jug's mine.
you can come inside to give a look to this here. The means as we are aging here. No cheese. Now art inside has even more love is in the jars. Here our moms have always used it for cooking. As in fact here part of the bladder with the lard inside for cooking. What else do you see? Sausage spiced with the chili peppers. Or also typical Italian guanciale, the pork cheek for spaghetti carbonara.
Wow.
Or also the typical capocollo. Capocollo is a cured meat made from a muscle or pig's neck, salty and spicy with the pepper too. Anything else? Bacons as well with chili peppers or even just with the pepper. Then that's ham, prosciutto, hams, and then soppressato.
Wow.
Soppressato, salami. This one we call it cotechino. This one is mainly made with mainly made with the meat of first choice. This one second choice. So at the end, this one is mainly cooked in the.
So we're back here.
Extra virgin oil.
And they're different flavors that you're pouring?
Right, exactly. The same oil infused also with the lemon and the orange peels.
So the first one was
The
traditional?
pictures in the plates.
Oh, duh.
Different
So
pictures
smart.
in the plates
So
to
smart.
recognize which one is which.
Lemon. Oops.
Yeah.
Oh, that is good.
Yeah. Oh, okay. You can get it at
Ito na kami. Tapos, kakain na kami ng luto ni Mama.
Yeah. Alcoholic.
Oh, shit. It looks like
Michael Bloom.
Yeah.
Balance is 110.
Yeah. A small one and this one.
2 liters and then a small this.
Yeah.
This is just some size.
My card.
Okay, 32. 32 products. Plaza 110.
142.
You paid the balance too. You paid the deposit.
I paid the deposit, yeah? 45 euro I paid.
Yeah. And then 110 the balance.
Yeah. And 32 is 142 still.
Yeah. Yes. 42 card, all card. Okay, that's yours.
Nga, andito na kami sa aming hotel ulit after the farm tour, and tomorrow we are heading to Rome for 3
Maybe
days.
we stop in Pompeii.
Okay. So, yun guys. Dito nagtatapos ang aming araw, ang aming vlog. And thank you for watching and see you in Rome.
Strawberry on my lips and sugar fingertips.